you don't have a light in there. It's supposed to, and the dry person came and he never noticed.
It's like a refrigerator. There's supposed to be a light.
Yeah.
Refrigerator too, and that's the one that they're usually
And
free.
he's an expert. That is unthinkable.
It's one of the things that a lot of times they don't, like I said, they just don't cover it if you're a renter. They just don't. It's light bulbs and they think you're supposed to replace them when they go bad.
Yeah, I have
It's just
to
them.
replace the ones outside because they never bother with it, or you be in the dark all winter.
Yep.
It's kind of like the yard we don't have.
Looks like I need a sweep back there again. It's filthy again.
Let's see. So,
Well, they don't put in a yard either, so.
pull it out.
Yeah, you can't do it much more.
Let's see. Pull this out. Okay, so get it back. That back panel so we can switch out the.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we get back.
Yeah. See if he has value, just pull it forward and I'll collect the stuff. There's probably stuff behind there.
See, I'm gonna go grab one of those. Oh wait, we should have that kit in here. There's what we're looking for. Huh?
You actually have cars. That's how they turn it in half the cars.
Oh.
They have to come back a different time.
Well, it's hard to carry it parts for everything. But we carry, I have a bunch in the truck too. But this is common. This is all the should be all the thermostats that you need. It's a special kit that I carry.
So is that a thermostat?
So that's this is the operating thermostat. This is the high limit thermostat. This is a thermal fuse, and this is a thermal high limit as well.
So there's two thermostats for a dryer.
There should be 4.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
So I have to figure out which one it is. Maybe.
I just replace them all. That's why I get the kit. And the
Wow.
reason I do that is if it cycles on this high limit thermostat instead of the operating thermostat, then this is doing more than it's supposed to, and so are the other ones. So in order for it to get back on track, they all have to be replaced.
That's very interesting.
Okay, yeah, here's 1/4 inch, right? Yep.